Looking for a delicious way to impress friends and family? Homemade pasta is the answer. Here are 3 yummy recipes to try. First up, classic spaghetti aglio e olio. Start by cooking spaghetti in salted water until al dente. In a pan, heat olive oil and add minced garlic. Sauté until golden, then toss in red pepper flakes. Drain the pasta and mix it with the garlic oil. Finish with fresh parsley and grated Parmesan. Simple, yet bursting with flavor. Next, let's whip up creamy fettuccine alfredo. Cook fettuccine until tender. In a saucepan, melt butter and add heavy cream. Stir in minced garlic and let it simmer. Gradually whisk in grated Parmesan until the sauce is smooth. Combine the pasta with the sauce and season with salt and pepper. Top with extra cheese and a sprinkle of nutmeg for a rich, indulgent dish. Finally, try a fresh basil pesto pasta. Cook your favorite pasta shape. In a food processor, blend fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan, and olive oil until smooth. Toss the pasta with the pesto, adding a splash of pasta water for creaminess. Garnish with cherry tomatoes and more basil for a vibrant finish. These homemade pasta recipes are not just easy to make but also incredibly satisfying. Whether it's a cozy dinner or a gathering with friends, these dishes will surely impress. So grab those ingredients, roll up those sleeves, and get ready to enjoy a delightful pasta night at home. With these recipes, homemade pasta will become a staple in the kitchen. Enjoy the process, and don't forget to share the delicious results with everyone.